Long sounds reading with sentences. Today we're going to read words with long I sound. K, ite. K, ite. Kite. Kite. The boy plays his beautiful kite. Kite. B, ite. B, ite. Bite. Bite. Can I have one bite? Bite. B, Ike. B, Ike. Bike. Bike. Enjoy riding your bike. Bike. M, Ike. M, Ike. Mike. Mike. Turn on the mic. L, Ike. L, Ike. Like. Like. Please like my video. Like. T, aisle. Aisle. T, aisle. Tile. Tile. Put the tile on the floor. Tile. P, aisle. P, aisle. Pile. Pile. The books are on pile. Pile. You're doing good. T, I'm. T, I'm. Time. Time. What time is it? Time. L, I'm. L, I'm. Lime. Lime. Add some lime in the water. Lime. D, I'm. D, I'm. Dime. Dime. Give me just a dime. Dime. W, ire. W, ire. Wire. Wire. We use the wire for appliances. Wire. T, ire. T, ire. Tire. Tire. The flat tire cannot work. Tire. R, I'd. R, I'd. Ride. Ride. It's fun to ride on a bike. Ride. I'd. I'd. Hide. Hide. Where did you hide? Hide. Awesome. Some words use IGH. The letters GH have no sound here. We sound it as I, as in light, sight, light, sight. Other examples: s, I, s, sigh, I, I, high, I, I, nigh, Ite, ite, night, night. T, ite, t, ite, tight, tight. R, ite, r, ite, right. You're doing good. Only 4 words use I on the end. I as in tie. T, I, t, I, tie, tie, tie. L, I, l, I, lie, lie. D, I, d, I, die, die. P, I, p, I, pie, pie. Use letter Y on the end. The sound of letter Y is I, as in sky. Examples: buy, buy. My, sky, sky. Fly, fly. Good job!
If you like my video, please like, subscribe to my channel.